Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami squirrel face. What you want to do first is fold your paper in half diagonally both ways. And then now fold the top part down around 7 centimeters. And now fold the top part over to this center line here. Now fold each side over so that the flap is overlapping with the center line. And now fold the bottom part up. And then fold it back down again. Now open the top part and then fold them diagonally like so. And with it, fold the left and right sides back to the center part here. And now we're going to shape the squirrel's face. So what you want to do now is fold the bottom part up, aligning with this diagonal crease here. And now fold the left and right sides here inwards. Now all you have to do is draw your face on the squirrel. And there you have your own origami squirrel face. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.